All right, so it's that time. Clickbait King, right? XRP is dead. 8 million. He's a typical XRP dreamer. XRP is dead, dude. Sorry, XRP is dead. I'm starting to think XRP is a joke, to be honest. And this is a subscriber, you know, and I understand, right? You come out and you have a breakdown and say you believe things are dead, you believe it's just dying off, or that you're having questions, doubts about it, right? You guys need to wake up. XRP is dead, man. How are you going to say XRP is next when Solana literally has deadlines for ETFs already? And they're saying XRP is dead, is a dead zombie. These people, um, 3 months ago, 4 months ago, people tend to be in that same boat, right? And some people are more reasonable of a response than others, where they say XRP is dead, and this is why I feel that way, right? There's two ways that people believe that a position is dead, right? It's somebody that held it for a while and they're questioning why it's not moving, why it's not doing what you said it was going to do, right? They're maybe the people that only saw what you saw. Um, and then there are people that just didn't believe in it from the beginning and are jealous of all of the conversation and popularity behind it. And they're like, why are people talking about this? It's a horrible project. And those are the people that I'm referring to in this video. You guys are dead wrong, right? To say that XRP is not going to be worth anything and that it won't skyrocket, that it won't go over a level of $1, that it's dead, that it's not going to see any type of hype or movement, you're dead wrong. And there are so many people that are for this project that you only really hear the negative things that come about because most people, if you think about like going on, like having a restaurant experience, if you have a good restaurant experience, what's the likelihood that you are writing a review for that restaurant? It's probably very slim. However, if you have a horrible restaurant experience, you're going to go ahead and write a horrible review and say, this was not great. I don't recommend all of these other things. So you have less people that are talking positively about it, but you do still hear those voices. And I'm trying to be one of those voices because I believe in XRP. And because of that, so many people have reached out to me and said, I'm so glad you had high conviction for XRP because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have made $100,000 just recently. I wouldn't be at over 200,000 XRP making a boatload of money and literally changing my life because of the fact that I invested into this project that I saw what you saw and then I also started to see extra things on top of it. These are the type of stories that I love to hear, that everyone loves to hear. So when you hear that XRP is dead or was dead at that point, it's I don't let it go to my head or go to my heart and go, okay, well maybe I'm steering these people in the wrong direction. I'm not looking to steer anybody anywhere. I'm telling you about my investments that I'm making and why I have high conviction for XRP and where it's going. Um, and many people have now been able to profit off of it, whether it was short-term leverage trading as well as long-term holds that they have with the project. Now, with this level of gain, we are seeing things that are coming back a little bit, and we'll go through where XRP is right now. But if you guys could, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out my links for Margex as well as BTCC down below, feel free to do so. Margex is a fantastic platform that I've been using for, I don't know, it has to have been 6 or 7 months at this point. I've been using it for a while, and I've been able to gain a ton out of it, including $30,000 worth of XRP while it was down to 50 cents. So I was able to triple that money that I did have, and honestly, it was just amazing to be able to see that. Now I still hold my XRP, which I will show you, but feel free to check out Margex if you guys are interested in leverage trading. You could do as little as a 5x leverage, maximum of 100x leverage on BTC and Ethereum, 50x leverage for XRP. And again, this is a project to where you could be invested leverage trading wise and make a decent amount of money. You can see here I have an XRP leverage trade at the bottom. Let's see if I can bring it up higher so you guys can see it. But it's down here at the bottom, and I'm up 998% on that XRP investment, as well as if I go to my main account and just look at my positions here, my main account, I have a 12,000% gain. So you can have these levels of gains as long as you know what you're doing. So feel free to check out my link for Margex as well as my link for BTCC down below if you guys are interested in leverage trading. Now, for the market has come back a little bit today. It's down by 1.4%, down to a $3.31 trillion market cap. Bitcoin's dominance is increasing a little bit, still at the 58% level. But XRP, after all those gains, are now starting to see, a 9% decrease in the overall price. The highest point that it got to over this last week, let's say, in the last month, has been $1.62. So now we're trying to push up to that 200 or $100 billion market cap and get to the $2 price point after that. XRP is going to be worth a lot, right? In my opinion, I think you're going to see many different things get implemented, as well as, within the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, and see more leniency or understanding on crypto and try to understand crypto a little bit more. Regulatory clarity rather than regulatory enforcement on something that you honestly haven't established as or understanding what it is, right? So XRP is definitely a play that was flat for a while, and I think people didn't understand why it was flat, and that's why you have those two people, right? The people that are like, I'm holding XRP but it's not doing anything, or the people that are like, XRP sucks, I'm going to invest into this play, right? Which it's okay to invest in whatever play you believe in, but it's not okay to shoot somebody else's dream down, or reality in this point down, to say that this is a horrible project and this is the reason why you believe it's going to fail, right? Or not even say this is the reason. You're just going to say it's going to fail and have no reason behind it. So those people that say you need a reality check, XRP is a dead coin, so many comments that I've gone through and have responded to. So where's that at now? Right? Where's that energy to say XRP's at dead, never will see a dollar, right? Never will see a level of 50 or $100 billion market cap. Where's that same energy that was there? They wait for these days that we see negativity, and then those people pop up and they're going to say XRP is going to come all the way back down and not be worth anything. And again, you don't understand the reason as to why it was flat to begin with. And I've gone out many times and have explained why it's been there. In 2020, you have a lawsuit that comes up against a major cryptocurrency, or major parent company, Ripple, and against a major cryptocurrency, which is XRP, labeling it as a security, violating securities laws. Of course, there's going to be negativity from many people. If somebody accused somebody of something, they're going to immediately think, and there's going to be a ton of people that immediately think that that person did it. I always like to give them the benefit of the doubt and understand that there are two sides to every story. But a lot of people don't like to do that. They're like, I told you so. I told you they did it, right? I told you that person's a horrible person. And I like to give them a benefit of the doubt. I don't always like to side with one side. I will pick an in-between spot and listen to both sides. And then I guess that's what makes me like a judge at heart, is to not judge people and their character, but judge people by the actions, right? So if you hear those actions come from one side, let me hear the other side. But anyways, let me get away from being a judge. I'm not a judge, but let me get away from that mindset right now. You need to understand that XRP, the reason why it was there was because of the lawsuit. Throughout all of that time, it didn't run in the bull market because people were saying the same thing. Every time I went to go buy XRP, they said, XRP is in a lawsuit, you're going to lose all your money, it's going to go to zero. And I was like, how do you know that this is the case? Yes, it's in a lawsuit, I see that. But how do you physically know that it's 100% their fault, or they truly did that, or that they're going to lose this battle? And they've gone along and continued to fight. No matter what settlements came their way, they continued to fight to prove that XRP was not a security. The transactions or the sale of XRP was not labeled as violating securities laws. they went out to fight as hard as possible while others gave up. Kraken paid a $20 million fine. You have, Binance that paid $4 billion. And yes, with CZ stepping down as well in the things that they're doing. But you have many people that were attacked and they just settled for paying the fine and then got sued again. What's the purpose of that? So, anyways, Ripple goes out and fights, stays flat. Everybody questions whether it's going to run or not. And now you have some positivity around that camp saying, look, this lawsuit may be over. Gary Gensler may be out. It's going to be out. And this may be big for cryptocurrency and huge for Ripple in the end. So I want to know what you guys think, right? Were all the people that stated XRP is dead, were they wrong or were they right? I mean, clearly from where we stand at $1.40 right now, they were wrong. It broke a level of $1. It's sitting up at a 60 or 70, 79, almost $80 billion market cap right now. It's competing for that fourth spot with BNB, and it's most likely going to end up competing for the third spot with Solana. And then it's going to compete with Ethereum and Bitcoin. In my opinion, be the top cryptocurrency out there. So let me know your opinion. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, if you guys want to check out my link for Margex, as well as if you want to check out my link for BTCC, feel free to check out those down below. I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.